都早呢，他们等那种早。来古龙布呢，都没人打，还害了呢，真的。连光呢，之后跟着哈克光了呢。So nice to be here at a spot. All the vendors start coming right now. It's pretty cool. This video is brought to you by Minnesota Puppy Pet Family. Life is better with a puppy. And by Juhani. Jinda Chomongto share. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. My Song Vang, real estate agent, business broker. If you want to buy or sell your home or build it from the ground, please contact her at 651-472-4840 or at her office 651-301-7440. If you are a first-time home buyer, she has some great government program for first-time home buyer or sometime repeat buyer. Free money to down your home. Thank you. Mai song va cứ yo pe ton sai mo va mo chơi thế yo va yo chơi ya te có mình lu nong đã chơi thọ hu to trong nương de châu chi y plau sha o plau yi plau son ở yo pe nương có chơi o ha lư kia pe nương office châu chi y pe son y sha plau son yo te có nói yo theo có yo chơi có lu nương nó mai cũng mà bình sự bắt tổ có y bao nhiêu lần de nó chứ thầu cơ chơi lại thì chỉ bốn nhân đòn đầu hú tôi trong máy van hú nọ kia bây giờ mong hay là mong bây tao có dùng gì ở trong đâu. We're here today at the Mound spot Adamo Tray selling Juhani's honey. So a lot of people, a lot of vendors still coming, but the rain, man, the rain is killing it today. Everybody's like hiding. Chicken, duck. There's a little duck, little guinea fowl. The ring is killing it today. And let's go see over here. Got some pretty nice pigeon. That's my boot right there. Hello.
Hello.
How much you selling the pigeon?
The homers are $10.
Okay. What about these down here?
Most of these are $20.
Okay, so how much is these?
10. And that's the same as a cage.
Oh, from the bottom too?
Yeah, this and those. They're all 20-25 hatch homers.
Okay.
So
I'm just over there on the honey place.
okay.
Yeah, so let me get like 10 of the bird.
10 of them?
Let me go get some cash, I'll come back.
Okay, you got a cage?
I do, I'll be back.
Okay, yeah, you come back and we'll pick them out for you.
All right. All rồi là mình tôi rồi đó nhiều quá này tao nó một pi $8 right there, beautiful bird. Mango 80.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you for doing business.
Yep.
Grab it. Oh. Okay, let's take it over there. Oh, you can go, huh? Go back to our vendor place. Then, nó ta tỏ nó to sơ. Nó một pin rồi ai phải nó nữa mà. Cổ chữ đó là sổ ký rồi cho nên tôi cổ rồi. Check this out too. Put my pigeon away. So I think when you're about to come early, you get some good deal and good pigeon. Hey, up. All right. Thế nó mình nhỏ sơ cái nè. Okay. All right. This is good. Got more vendor coming. It's a raining day. Wait until the rain stops and then we head out a little bit. Got the rabbit. Can't go out there. I should have put on down. Để mà put my tea here. Là lỗ là xong gì đó, cho nó đó. Tây Tử Cay. Ô nì của bà xài nó thêm một tên này trong ha. Sẽ là một lá chè. Buy chicken. Definitely gonna need one of these. Raining day, everybody's still here. Duck, geese, egg, and it. Grab it. That's Shayla. A chick, $2 a chick. Good price to buy. And they got some soaky over here. You got like black chicken or soaky. It's the guy.
You think the best time to come on here?
Well, I'm gonna sit and try.
Duck. Chicken over here. Now all the people start coming. People are buying the chicken already.
That one too.
Yep.
Cái cho nó ít cho ít tung đi là
Tí cho
ok.
để cho nó tí tung kia cho nó lo cho nó nên cổ chi tăng cho nó cổ chi cái cổ kia cho bé mấy ai cho thì mua gì đâu
Bắt cứ
cá mà ta chỉ mất cổ mà mất chi
nếu tên gì lo cũng mà có gì không?
cho nên sao xem bộ lo cũng nên xem bộ tốt thế ok có quá miễn xài nữa mua cái cổ thôi nếu sơ thế kính chứ
cái nhau họ nói là cái nhau thứ to
nhá xem po
cái nhau xem to đấy là bây giờ xem to đấy
ok lúc xe tôi xin chị
cái hóa chị
muốn xong à
không xong rồi
đây
ok một phim mà là
ok lên đám mà
That's really good.
yeah it is those like one of my favorite
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really tough fry to separate.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, we don't really get these much, so when I post it on like Facebook or anything, like
You want
people
one of
just
those?
buy it quick.
Okay, one of those and one of those.
$8, and then I made like $4.
Okay.
So 20. Now that the rain kind of stopped, there's more and more people coming. It's sunny right now. Say hi, Viana. Now they opened up 8 o'clock, but a lot of time I'll only buy some of the animal before 8 o'clock.
Before I go to work today, I'm and she said,
Can I buy these?
Hello.
Hi, do you want to buy these?
A lot of people is entering right now. Look, all the buyer. They got a clock right now opening. More and more vendor coming.
Yeah, I can.
Another king.
One that opens from the side.
The $110 burger that I bought is already these are like 15, 20,
I can call him and ask him. He's here. He's walking around.
25.
He's actually got a black and blue mark on his arm from him biting
So 30.
Oh, I got a little bit left, I guess.
$6.
Still got foreskin.
Well, we thought he ran away, but I'm pretty sure he's still in the coop. Jeff goes, I swear he ran away the other day, and I
They got all the buyer parking their car this way. The golden furs are so beautiful. My balcony. A lot of buyers coming right now.
Buying these guys are pigs. Little pigs. And to be fair, humans being born. 20 for that one. Okay, I did not need to be there. Keep me away from that. He was,
$10 a piece.
$10 a piece.
How many got in there? I'll take all of it. Will you do 50?
Sure.
Okay, I'll take all of it.
Right.
So it'll be like much more easier. Yeah, I'll bring that back to you. That's a good deal right here. 6 for $50. All right, beautiful bird. So pretty much you're done, huh?
Yeah.
All right, get going early, man. I'll bring that back. I'll bring that back to you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. I'll bring this back to you. Chicken. Yeah, I just bought all his pigeons, 6 for $10 each, but I told the guy I took all of it for 50. He said okay, so he's happy, I'm happy, we both are happy. We both got a good deal. I got a good deal. I can resell these $15 each.
Tàu sẽ ở dưới phố này.
Five times each.
Hello. How much you selling these for?
Just shoot me an offer. Try and go home.
All of it for how much?
I'm asking 15, but you take all of it.
How much for it?
I was asking 15 each, but you take all of it. I could do 10 each.
I just bought Sun here too, so
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Thank you.
Really nice bird though.
Yeah, it is nice, but yeah.
I feed them the expensive stuff.
Everybody's trying to make $15 bird, but you can put them in the long labor. Oh, no, check this cold.
I don't know nothing about that. So like, thank you for answering my question.
Well, she got mounted by my ruler. Here, it's a little bigger than most. I don't even mean, man. Yeah, but they can do it.
On the other end too.
Well, there's a really fuzzy one up here.
Silky. $15 for one. Cute little bird.
Let's walk around and see what else we can find, and then we'll come back.
Oh, I guess Polish cream beer origins and silver martins.
Do you have any fun?
Nope.
It's a honey place. The number one seller here is pigeon. Pigeons are the number one seller here.
Oh, yeah?
Where'd it go? Alex.
Just look how pretty it is. I'm not
You got bunny.
Come on, girlies.
I was gonna say I saw a few sitting out. They don't last long.
Yeah, they never last too long.
Is that a call? What is that?
They're not, you know,
Call duck? Little boy? Yes.
it's last year's hatch.
Oh my god. No, look You need a rabbit. Just look at him. They're so cute.
Shiny stuff, cooking stuff.
I have a rooster named Ethel, so I do not. I know. They're so hard.
So my pigeon I bought. Yeah, that's what's up right here. Beautiful bear.
$10
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Go ahead, take it. Oh, you got one little bag for it?
You guys want a bag for it?
Come on, fuck you.
Keep up the good work.
Here, that's one for you, and this one for you. Even though. Almost done. All my big jars sold out.